All right, so we're doing the video over the hill because that's what Mr. Terrell is. And we got this car going over a bump in the roadway, following the arc, blah, blah, blah. We would want to draw a free body diagram representing this vehicle. And it would just look something like this. It would have mg down and normal up. I have more force of gravity than I have normal because this car is going up the slope and then a few seconds later it's going down the slope. So it has to have an acceleration and therefore a net force down towards the center. So I need more downward force than I have upward force. Cool. So then we start doing the derivation, trying to find the maximum speed the car can have without losing contact with the road. And the maximum speed that it can have is basically where n is very, very close to zero. It's not actually zero. It's like, to borrow some calculusy terms, it's the limit as n approaches zero, like the absolute fastest it can go before the wheels break loose. So the formula or the derivation is going to look something like this. I'm doing it here on the screen instead of in those boxes, so I can still kind of look at the question as I go through here, but you should be doing it in the boxes. Starting here with the general form of Newton's second law, then I'm going to go in and make it specific to our problem. It's going to be something like mg. In fact, let's do like mg minus n. But then I'm going to really quickly go in there and say but this is so close to zero that we're just going to ignore it. And if we do that, then this kind of turns into AC turns into v squared over r. And you can see that I have an m over an m. So this just side becomes g. And then I'm trying to get v by itself. So it just looks something like, looks like my computer's freaking out. V squared equals rg. And then I can just do v equals square root of gr. I just switched the r and the g for no reason at all. But there you go. There's the steps I would follow for that one. So hope that helps. Come see me in class if you have any questions. This is my waiting for Screencastify to pause.